Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, my reviews. So today in this video, it's not gonna be smartphone leaks, not gonna be its pros and cons, but it's gonna be some kind of tips and tricks video in my tips and tricks series, which I posted long back about searching for the music name by its audio. So sometimes it may happen that you see most of the YouTube videos with background music and you may like one of them and you want to know its name but it's not mentioned in the description, so that trick may help you. Go check it out. I'll put that in the cards above. So without wasting any time, let's begin. So our first tip is about searching between the two time intervals. So let me show you an example about best games for PC from 2016 to 2018. So now this will show you all the games, all the best games probably from 2016 to 2018, not before that interval, and after that interval is not quite possible. And what this three dot do is it will give the duration. So if you didn't knew this trick, then please give it a thumbs up because you are gonna know more tips and tricks about Google in this video. So now it's the trick number two. So this trick is about searching keyword on title. So what you can do with this trick is just write a specific kind of phrases on your search and it will only show up those results which have same words in its title. So here it goes. In title, and give it a semicolon, and Champions League. So it will show you all the searches where Champions League is in the title. So you can see there is not even a single search where the Champions League is missing from the title, and which is the goal of this trick. Because if you want to search something and if you have already searched something and you remember some phrases of title, then you can search it like this way. And there are some more tricks coming on the way. So without wasting any time, let's go towards the trick number three. So in my previous trick, I gave you tips about how to search from titles. So now let's do how to search from URL. So you write in URL and give a semicolon. Please make sure that after semicolon you won't leave any space and you write Quora only. So you will find all the sites where there is Quora in its URL, like this, like this, like this, and so on in all those search results. So this is my trick number three. And moving towards the trick number four, let's now, if you wanna do some kind of post some kind of questions in Quora and you didn't find any appropriate answer or like that, then you may want to know what are the related sites. So you can do it very easily. You don't have to type related sites about of Quora, but just do. So now what it does is it just shows you all the related sites is Quora. So you can post your queries in Reddit, Yahoo Answers, Medium, and Stack Overflow, Stumble Upon, and many more sites which you can find like this. So moving on to our next trick. So we all have been hearing about the tech giant Samsung recently. So we can just give to quotation mark and write so now what it does is it will show you only the searches where you can see Samsung Galaxy S10 design leak because it is between the quotation mark. So you can see here, 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 in every of the searches you will have Samsung Galaxy S10 design leak, and in the specific order like you see over here, you see over here, and so on. So this is quite a cool trick because you can search in exactly the same order and you don't have to face any of the problems like getting another results which you even don't want to. So now moving on to our next trick, and which is about images search. So now let's go towards this images section and this image icon, upload an image and choose a file. So I am choosing here the bicycle image, and you can see its name is download.jpg. So it's not searching by the name of the image but by the content. So now you can see all the images that have been shown here are of bicycle. So now you can obviously know that it is a bicycle, and here is what Google does a search according to the image. So if you find any kind of image which you are not sure about what it is, then you can just do image search, and if you don't have the image file, then there is also an option for searching with the URL. So now moving on to our next trick. So here our next trick is about searching for some kind of definitions and also the meaning of some slang words. So now we can just do define, here semicolon, and review, which is also my channel name. Sorry. So you can see here it will automatically show you the definition of the word. This is also a cool trick because if you don't know the meaning of anything, then you can just do like this, so you don't have to search in dictionary and take too much time, because Google will do it in just fraction of seconds. Is some kind of technical channel, then do like Samsung. We'll just search for Samsung and file type will be PDF. So it will only show you those files where there is some kind of PDF file attachment, so that you can go and download the PDF file. So if you want to, let's say, download some movies, then you can just write the movie name over here and the extension, let's suppose MP4, then it will only show you those files, those sites which have the movie with the file type of MP4. So it will be easy for you. So now moving on to our next trick. So if you are a kid from 90s, then you may remember a game which Google can give you by a simple search. So go to Google Images and just type Atari Breakout and search it. Then it will give you the game which you used to play when you were a kid. Like it's brick breaking kind of game. So moving on to our next trick. So now we'll be doing or using Google for some mathematics, like you can do so it will open up the calculator. So for doing some kind of basics mathematics, like you can always use Google for it, because it will just do it in fraction of seconds like this. So if you found this video interesting and bit knowledgeable, then please hit like, subscribe, comment, share to support the channel, and till my next video, peace out.